Hi, this is Steve Davis over at Total Wealth Academy, and this is Investor Tip Tuesday. The tip today is educate first, purchase real estate second. Why is this so important? I'll give you an example of my first 10-unit apartment complex. I went out and bought a 10-unit apartment complex without taking a course on multifamily investing, without taking a course on property management of multifamily. I didn't do anything. Why? Because I arrogantly thought that since I could run 100 single-family houses, I'd have no problem running a little 10-unit apartment. I was wrong. That property ate my lunch for the first year and a half because I didn't educate first and purchase second. When I sold the property, I made $150,000. I should have made $500,000 because I didn't educate myself. I sold that property $350,000 less than it was worth. Educating yourself is the most important part of real estate investing because you can make mistakes like that so easily. I've seen it on single family over and over and over and over again, and I've seen it on commercial over and over and over again. Educate first, purchase second. That's Investor Tip Tuesday. Thanks for watching.